I'll take a whip it, intermission, let the birds fly. I get money, turn no vision through my third eye.
It's your girl Shayna J here. Welcome back to my channel once again. Thank you guys for joining me. So today we have this gorgeous, luscious, beautiful unit that I made using the hot glue gun method. I did record the hot glue gun method for you guys, and I recorded my steps. And this is the result. As you can see, it's so beautiful. I know you guys are dying to know what hair I used. So the hair that I used, I actually think I threw away the pack, but that's okay. The hair that I used is by Outre. It's their Dominican curly batik bundle hair. It's the hair that comes in like an all-in-one pack, and it comes with different lengths. I did actually show it in the clip where I'm actually making the wig, even though I don't have it right now. So I did show the hair so you guys can go out and get it. This will be a part of my beauty supply store gems series that I'm starting on my channel. I'm going to be calling it BSS Gems. So yeah, this series is just going to be about really inexpensive hair, really inexpensive makeup finds, easy accessible, just things that I find in my local beauty supply stores that I can bring to the channel and finesse. This is beauty on a budget, baby. This is, you know, this is you trying to slay, but you don't really got the coin, and I can make it look good for you. I could do that for you. This is Outre's Batik Bundle Dominican Curly Hair. This is going to be a part of my beauty supply store gems series. I'm not just going to be doing hair though. I'm going to be doing like makeup finds. I'm going to be doing, you know, product like beauty products, any type of beauty products that I find that are intriguing in a beauty supply store. I'm gonna pick up and I'm going to come to you guys with it. If you guys have any suggestions or anything that you've seen in your local beauty supply store that you want me to review, because you guys know that they don't really do videos on beauty supply store hair anymore, which sucks because there's a beauty supply store on every block. Well, at least where I am, because I live in the Bronx, so there's a beauty supply store on almost every block here. So it's like, you know, sometimes you don't have the time to wait for bundles, or you don't have the coin to wait for bundles. So if you go in a beauty supply store and if you see some, you know, cheap hair that you feel like you could finesse, you can't really even do, you know, a background check on it because there's no videos on YouTube about it. So I'm here to just bring back that feel, bring back that old school vibe where you felt like you could connect with whoever was giving you information. And you guys know that I'm gonna give it to you straight up. I'm gonna tell you about the hair. I'm gonna tell you the pros and cons. I'm gonna tell you everything that you guys need to know. So this is gonna be the first install of my BSS Gems series. I'm sorry if I'm talking a lot or really fast. I don't know. I'm just in a good mood right now, and I'm really excited because this is like my first series, and I put a lot of thought into it, and I think that you guys are really gonna enjoy these types of videos, because like I said, this is for my beauty on a budget mommies. This is for my, you know, my girls that, you know, just need a quick little something, or even my girls that want to practice. I know you guys watch my videos and you guys are like, okay, let me see if I could do that. Or not even just my videos, you guys watch anyone's videos and you guys want to practice, but you don't want to practice on, you know, bundles. You don't want to practice on, you know, really expensive hair that you spend your money on. So I feel like beauty supply store hair is the perfect hair to practice with. Beauty supply store hair is the perfect hair to kind of get your groove in wig making or in, you know, anything like that. So like I said, I did the hot glue gun method with this unit, and I think it came out really nicely. All I did was kind of fluff it out a little bit, even though it really didn't need to be fluffed out, because I did use 2 packs of the Outre Dominican curly bundle hair, and it's really full, y'all. Like, it's an all-in-one pack, so meaning technically you only need one pack. I feel like if your head is smaller than mine, you can definitely get away with one pack and just fluff it out. But personally for me, I felt like I wasn't going to get the look that I wanted if I only used one pack. So I did go ahead and use 2 packs, and I did use all of the hair in both packs so that I can get this fullness. And this is what it's looking like, y'all. So go ahead and watch the video on how I make this wig. So first, what you're gonna need is a wig head. This is a styrofoam one that I customized to fit my head. You're also gonna need a spandex dome cap like this one right here. And you're also gonna need, of course, a hot glue gun and hot glue gun sticks. I got these off of Amazon. They're the extra long ones, so I'll link everything down below. So the hair that I'm using is the Outre Dominican Curly Batik bundle set. It comes with an 18-inch, 2 20 inches, and a 22-inch. It also comes with this closure piece right here, which isn't much of anything, but we're going to make it work. So first, what you're going to do is you're going to want to take some wig caps, and you're going to put them over the styrofoam head so that it protects the glue from getting on your styrofoam head. It also protects the actual styrofoam from getting on your wig. And then you're going to put on the spandex dome cap, and it should look something like this. So here you can see that I already started, but what you're going to do is you're going to measure a piece of hair that you want, and you're going to cut it to fit your spandex dome cap. And then you're going to put a little bit of hot glue on a piece of it, and you're going to work in sections. So you don't want to put all of the glue on the whole track at once, because 1, it dries fast, and 2, it's really, really hot. So you're just going to keep doing that until you get all the way to the top of the wig. And here I'm just showing you how I do it. Now, this is like a really messy method, and I'm showing you how sometimes the glue can get, I guess, crusty. So it's very easy to clean up. All you got to do is wait for the glue to dry and literally just pick off the glue pieces. So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling now, and I'm just going to pretty much just show you guys what I'm doing. So right here, I'm just showing you how I glue down the closure piece. What you want to do is you want to basically just glue down the sides and glue down the back. And again, be careful because the glue is really hot and it's also hella messy. So it should look something like this. And you're just going to literally just keep doing the same steps over and over and over again. And this is it. So now, as you can see, I'm just cutting out the part underneath the lace so that it can lay nice and flat. And I actually slowed this part down so you can see it. So yeah, the lace is nice and exposed. So now you have your wig complete, boom, bada bing. And your the closure, we're gonna have to pluck a little bit. So you know how I pluck. You just take some hairs and just pluck that bit. And that's it, y'all. Like, easy peasy. I mean, it wasn't as easy for me, but yeah, there you go. Okay, guys, so just a little disclaimer. This is the second time I had to record this part of the video. When I was looking back at the footage, I really didn't like the lighting. I didn't like how I looked. I didn't like the background. I didn't really like anything about that part of the recording, and I didn't notice until I was actually looking back at the footage. So I just wanted to let you know that I did already cut a few layers into this hair, but that's okay because it's super easy, and I'm going to show you how to do it again anyway. So this is the wig all complete, and as you can see, it is nice and full and luscious. I did use all of the hair in both packs of I did use all of the hair, including the closure piece that came in the second half, because for some reason, it's not that I ran out of space. It's just I haven't made like a hot glue gun wig in a really long time, so I kind of spaced it out weirdly, but it ended up working in the end. And yeah, so this is how it looks. So right now I have my wig cap on, and this is what the wig is looking like. This is the inside of the cap. So it's nice and soft, and it won't irritate your edges or nothing like that. And as you saw from Before in the clip I did tweeze the part a little bit, so that's how the part is looking. So now we're just gonna toss this baby on, and when I say all you gotta do is toss it on and go, y'all, like boom, you're done. Okay. So yeah, this is how the wig is looking, and you guys know that the hair came with different lengths in it, so I didn't really have to do much cutting. All I did was cut a few pieces, like literally in the front of my face to frame my face, and that's literally it. The wig fits really, really nicely because I did fit it for my head, so it's not too tight, but I know it's not going anywhere. And all I did was part my natural hair, so it's not directly on my hairline, as you can see. It's more so where the part starts. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to take some of my Ruby Kisses contour powder, and I'm gonna take this shade right here, which is the lighter beige shade, and I'm just going to add that to the part so that it's a little bit more seamless. And I'm looking in the mirror, guys. Y'all already know the deal. When I look off to the side, I'm looking at the mirror. So yeah, that's all that I do to the part, and that's literally it, y'all. So like I said, the packs came with different lengths of hair. The longest length was said to be 22 inches, so this is how long it is on me, stretched out. And the layers are so pretty. Like I said, I didn't cut anything back here. I didn't do anything to the back of the hair. I literally just cut some pieces in the front so that you guys can, just so that you guys know, because I couldn't do it on camera because like I said, this is the second time that I'm recording this part of the video, and I was annoyed, but that's okay because I feel like it looks better now. So yeah. Let me turn around so you guys can see how it's looking. It's a lot of hair, y'all. A lot of gorgeous, luscious hair. Super pretty. Super freaking pretty. Like, when I first wore this hair, I was like, it's okay. But then, you know, it just started to be more than okay. It started to be, hot damn, who that? Who? Ooh, wasn't even trying to blind y'all. Wasn't even trying. Let me know if you guys like this video. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also click that notification bell next to the subscribe button so that you guys don't miss any of my videos, because I am uploading a lot more frequently. This is the first installation of my series, of my beauty supply store series. So yeah, just let me know what you guys want to see, because I'm here for you guys. You guys, you know, this is what I want to do for y'all. So yeah, that is all that I have for today, and I want you guys to stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.